This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth on your GMC Acadia. First, make sure your vehicle is in park for safety. Then, grab your smartphone and navigate to its settings menu to enable Bluetooth, ensuring it is discoverable. Next, on your Acadia's infotainment screen, locate and tap the phone icon to begin the pairing process. Once you've selected the phone icon, look for an option like Pair Device or Add Phone on your Acadia's display. Simultaneously on your phone, you should see GMC IntelliLink or your vehicle's name appear in the Bluetooth device list. Select it. A unique 4-digit PIN will then show on both screens. Confirm these numbers match. Finally, accept the pairing prompts on both your phone and the Acadia to complete the connection. With your phone successfully paired, you'll likely be prompted to allow access to your contacts and messages. Accept this for full functionality. Now, you can enjoy hands-free calling directly through your Acadia system, enhancing safety on the road. You can also stream your favorite music, podcasts, and audiobooks, playing them through the vehicle's speakers. Remember to adjust the call volume using your Acadia's regular audio controls. If you encounter any issues, first confirm that Bluetooth is actively enabled and discoverable on both your phone and your Acadia. A simple restart of both your smartphone and the vehicle's infotainment system can often resolve minor glitches. If problems persist, try deleting any existing pairings from both devices and then reattempt the connection process from the beginning. Also, ensure your phone and vehicle software are up to date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.